Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some surprise happy mail. This is coming from Bebe, who is Crown Bird. I will leave her information in the description box below. So if you're interested, check her out. She usually posts on Instagram. She has a YouTube channel, but she doesn't post videos yet. So this is what I got. It's a cute, pretty pink box. And let me just open it. I just cut the tape open. Well, I didn't do a great job at cutting it open, but oh, look at this. Bebe. What? Oh my gosh. Bebe, this is so cute. Okay. This is awesome. Girl. Oh, I'm sorry for the crinkling. Oh my God. Look at this. How pretty. Oh, look at this. It says Bebe's Love Mix from the Rosette Guru. Oh, she had a special mix made. How pretty. Look at the spoon. Oh, this is so cool. I love this. Oh my God. I'm looking for a dish so I can pour our sequin mix in there. Hold on, let me grab a dish so we can see it and see her pretty mix at the Rosette Guru. Whoop whoop. Ebony has made for Bebe. Oh my, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at the hearts. They have faces. Oh my God, that's terrible. There you go. Look at the little, oh my gosh, not little. This is big for a clay piece. Let me show you the little one. Uh-oh, if I could pick it up. There we go. Look at this pretty, pretty heart with the face on it. What a gorgeous mix, Ebony. Oh my gosh. Great job. Look at that. Oh my God. There's touch of red and there's pink hearts, the glitter hearts. And then she's got the wonderful red sequins in there. How pretty is that? Very, very nice. Thank you, Bebe. Oh my gosh. Thank you for sending me this. Perfect for Valentine's. Galentine's. Oh, I don't have to untie it because she put it on elastic. How smart. Love this. That'll be cute on a journal. Here we go with my journals again. Oh my. I don't know which way to look. Look at this. This is a beautiful box. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Okay, let's start with this one here. She's got some jingle bells. She's got this cute heart, acrylic heart. This XOXO ticket. I don't know, can you see it? Look at that. Oh, so pretty. He's got some beads and some charms in here. XOXO. Look at this heart-shaped glass bead. And there's like pink and white little gemmies in there. Or clear. Holy cow, how do you go through this? How do you go through this box? There's so many. Look at these cherries. How pretty. And these love charms. This one says, kiss me. XOXO. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at this. Kissing booth. The first one says XOXO. This one says kissing booth. And then there's some key charms. Oh, wow. What a gorgeous little box of trinket. Look at this envelope. These are acrylic pieces. There is a hole, so you could put a jump ring in there and create a dangle with that. Oh my God. There's so many to look at. Look, there's another envelope. It's a closed envelope. Here is a cassette tape. 90s hits. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this fun candy with the heart. Oh, it's a metal heart charm. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put these down. Oh my goodness. Look at all of these goodies in this box. Wow, so many. You got love in diamonds, golden diamonds. You got a bow. There's a gemmy in this heart. Oh my gosh. Look at the pink. Let me see if I can. There we go. That's much better. Turn the light on. Oh my goodness. Can you see all these beautiful charms? Wow. Bebe. What in the world? Love, 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 love. Oh my gosh. This little charm says, I love you. That is beautiful. There's a little heart locket, a little speech bubble, some candies. You guys, she just hosted the most phenomenal Candy Cane Lane get together, and she shared charms and beads and they're all different. Like, and now she's sharing this gorgeous box. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me put it all back in so we can get to the another box. Get to the next box. So this one has some rubber silicone beads. They're beads for, I guess these are for pens, for the beadable pens. There's a lolly charm. There's an ice cream charm. There's a heart lolly charm. That's cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, here's a pink stem with the white, clear lolly. She's got macarons in here. And they all have their own little jump there. Like really pretty to hang, ready to go. And there's a silicone cup bead. This one says mine. Oh no, be mine. And the other side has a heart. Oh, so pretty. And then just a pink lolly, heart lollipop. And then you've got these twisted candies. How pretty. Oh my goodness, Bebe. My friend, what in the world? This box is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that's just 2 boxes. And then she's got a whole stack of these charm shades. How pretty are these? Oh my God. Oh, this is so pretty. So this one, the charm is on the right. I can't think. And then this one's on the left. And then these 2 are on the right. So they're ready to go. Put them on some dangles. Oh my God. Bebe. And then there's some jumbo gorgeous beads. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I need to redo my dangle for my Hello Kitty. Or at least add more to it. Because look at all these goodies. Oh my goodness, Bebe. Girl. Wow. Wow. Okay, that's just the first 3. Now this one is loaded. We got some candy hearts. We got a clay envelope. There's a hole there. You can add a charm. There's a hole here so you can put poke it through and add a charm or jump rings. There's a clear heart. Oh, that's pretty. And there's a red bead. Oh, that is cool. It's like it reminds me of Christmas ornaments. Oh, look at that. It's a deck of cards or 3 cards. And then you got a cupcake. Oh my gosh. There's a pink heart. Oh, pretty. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. That is for the pens. Oh, that is so pretty. Ooh, mini rosettes. I love that. I'm going to put it with my rosettes. Yes. It's just another envelope. Look at that. Oh gosh. This one's a charm already, ready to go. pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that. It says sweet. Twisted candies. We've got some cupcakes. And we got some gummy bears. We got a red strawberry jar. Oh, jam. So pretty. It's got some milk chocolate. We got more of those clear hearts. Oh my, I think these are table scatters. And then we've got a icing bag, a pipe bag. Another gummy charm. Look at this candy. Oh my gosh. I bought bales. I bought clear bales, so I am ready. Oh, look at this one. This is a bead also. And we got some lollies here, or a lolly. And these are velvet hearts. Oh my gosh. Corduroy velvet. Another gummy bear. Look at this teeny tiny little envelope. Oh my God. Well, we've got some, what is this? Clay sweet tarts. There is a mushroom. How cute is this? It's a bead. Very nice. And then you've got these little tiny conversation hearts. They just say love. Oh, that's so pretty. And we got a heart charm. Or is this a... Oh, this is a locket. Oh my goodness, Bebe. How pretty. Oh my goodness. There's more. It's just more of the same, the gummies. There's a locket. There's a heart bead. It goes sideways. So cute. Oh my gosh, there's the key for the locket. Some hearts. Look at this teeny tiny little heart. That's a nail art probably. Another sweetheart. That's a rose there. These are clay XOXO. Whoops. And then some of these little acrylic hearts. Plastic hearts. Very cute. Oh my gosh, how in the world? Okay, let me see if I can get it back in. Will it fit? Oh my goodness, Bebe. Wow. Okay, and then we got some of these fun little beads. I love these. These look like candy, don't they? Ooh, that's a velvet bead. A bow bead. Oh, wow. We got some candy pieces here. And then I cannot. This is so full, you guys. Look at that. Oh, I like that. This is a glitter bead. Glass bead. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. So some of these beads. Oh my gosh. Love these. These little pearly ones. I just got some from Ebony. I think these are my favorite with the little sparkles in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And then we've got these big old beads. Look at those. That is nice. I think those are ceramic. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. Okay. That is awesome. We've got some plastic hearts in here. These are beads also. Red, pink, and white. Wow. I am, oh my gosh, over the moon. Whoops. All these precious beads. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh wow. I love these bubble beads, bubblegum beads. Look at the shade. So you got two styles of glasses in here. Look at this teddy. Oh my God. There are little hearts in there. Oh, it's so cute. Wow, Bebe. Talk about, you spoiled me, girl. Look at these jumbo bumble bubble balloon. Wow. These say boom and hot love. And this one, I don't know, that one, it probably says the same thing. Yep, Hot Love and Boom. Those are beads. I'm imagining them on pens. Oh, look at this Hello Kitty bead. Wow. Oh my God. Wow, Bebe. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Look at these disco ball beads. Oh, wow. So, so pretty. This is two different shades right here. This one and this one. They look similar, but they're very different. Oh my goodness. Wow, Bebe. Oh my goodness. And then my hands can't get in there. It's too fat. My fingers are too fat. We've got a wonderful little bow. I'm going to put it there with the charms because these look like all beads. Look at that. I have some of these from Ebs. And then more pink and white of these little mini beads right here. And there's a, ooh, it's a gumball machine. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh my gosh. This thing is jam-packed. Oh, lordy, lordy. Wow. She also had some acrylics. Oh my gosh. Love it. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. I don't think I have this. I don't think I have any of these, really. Wow. And then you get these little, oh my gosh, Bebe. Wow. This is just the same. So pretty. Holy smithers. How? How? Bebe, thank you so much, my friend. This is so not necessary. I really do appreciate you sharing all your goodies with me. This is amazing. I don't deserve this at all, but I do appreciate it. And I thank you, my friend. Thank you for thinking of me and sending me happy mail. But oh my gosh, I'm keeping it right in this box and just keeping it as is so that I know I could go in here, I could get a charm, I could get some dangles, I can get some acrylics, I could, it's just all the goodies are all in one place. So guys, I will leave the link in the description box below. Bebe, you are amazing, friend. I appreciate you and thank you again. So I hope you guys go check her out on Instagram. She is a fellow crafter. And check out Ebony Shop, the Rosette Guru. Like you see here, she personalized a mix for Bebe. And this is just amazing. This is amazing. That is so cool. Thank you again for watching. And I hope to see you all in the next crafty video. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell right there. And then that'll let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. Thumbs up, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.